Ready, mama? It is so cold outside. Happy Thanksgiving, boo. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Me and my friend, we be bombing. No, I'll be outside with it.
Get a little higher view.
Hey. I'm doing this only for you, Nunu. Stay in this pose. Oh. We got Nunu. You did a good job, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, tell me.
Look, that's good news, whatever. But right now, I don't really know good news or bad news. But Kevin is legit. He's my stepbrother. He worked with a lot of people. He even worked with me. But at the same time, I'm not ready to let you go. You've been with me for my whole childhood life. You know, since I was like a teenager. But I'm not trying to sound selfish or negative, bring negatives on you. But that is really good for you. What I'm saying is, I don't think you can go. LA, Los Angeles, whatever, it's a long grade. And you can be gone for how many months? Few or 7 or 6, doesn't matter. That's a long time. I mean, me talking to this crown, wherever she goes. Wait. You are sound selfish. Why you don't want me to go, Jamari? This is big for me. Do you know how long I've been ready for this? I know your grandma died. She's gonna be alright. She was Jesus. For Jesus before. I know Kevo, he could be really big for me. He might let me even be on Disney Channel, of course. Wait, hold on, Jamari. Wait.